everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I thought I'd show you how I set up my tablescape for Christmas. I try to mix it up each year so I'm not doing the same thing. So yeah, I think last year was mainly like a grey and white pine cone type centerpiece, and I'll leave a link to my Christmas playlist in the description box below so you can check out all my other Christmas videos. So yeah, this year I thought I'd go with a more, I don't know what style this is, but like the tartan sort of style with a bit of green and red and white. So I've got my supplies out, I've got a few candles out there. I'm not 100% sure what it's going to look like at the moment, but I thought I'll set the camera up and you can watch me go through my creative process, so to speak. So I'll set the camera up now and we'll jump right in. That's my tablescape for this year. Like you've seen in the videos, I've just used a couple of spotlight placemats as my table runner, and then topped it off with a couple of candlesticks on each side and then one in the middle. They were from the reject shop quite a while ago. And yeah, this is the Tablescape. And like I was showing you before, that pot puree filler is just awesome for creating that like a woodland type feel to your decor. And it's a good filler to fill in any gaps as well. So I'll light the candles now and we'll see what it all looks like. There it is, all the candles lit now. And yeah, I actually like this one this year. I went with a more of a sort of neutral greyish white theme last year, but I'm really digging the red and green traditional colours of Christmas. As much as I like the neutral theme as well, I just can't give up my red. It just looks so nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and it may have given you some ideas for your own Tablescape for Christmas this year. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel because I've got heaps more Christmas videos coming up. I'll leave a link to my Christmas playlist in the description box below so you can check out all the other Christmas videos I've done in past years. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.